In this video we're going to take a look at the new auto layout feature in the panel assembly for acoustical ceiling takeoffs. The new auto layout feature will automatically determine the panel layout, place all panels, cut panels where needed, and even reuse the cut pieces where applicable. The first step is to draw one or more area sections where the panels will be located by launching the Area Takeoff tool and performing the necessary reference area takeoffs. If more than one takeoff section is required, be sure to check the Show Section Number checkbox. Once the reference area takeoff is complete, next launch the panel assembly. Once your panel assembly is pre-configured with the correct panel size, necessary subitems, and other settings, click the Auto Layout button to proceed. In the Layout tab, select the name of the reference area that you want the panels applied to. A preview grid will be displayed prior to the panels being placed. At the Section drop-down menu, choose the takeoff section that you would like the preview grid displayed over. Next, set the appropriate horizontal, vertical, and panel placement radio buttons, which will determine how the panels are placed relative to the grid. To access more advanced auto layout settings, set the Customize Process checkbox, which makes the Process tab visible. Click the Process tab to view and make adjustments. Once the auto layout preview grid is displayed, before the panels are placed, you can optionally adjust the grid by setting the Position Preview Grid checkbox. Click the OK button to dismiss the panel auto layout dialog, then click the OK button in the panel assembly dialog to initiate the auto layout. The Position Preview Grid enabled dialog provides information on how to adjust the grid and then either escape the preview mode or apply the layout. Click either the Yes or No button to suppress the dialog during the current trade tech session to proceed. If grid adjustment is enabled, use the arrow keys to adjust the grid to the desired location, then tap the Return key to apply the grid or tap the Escape key to escape layout mode. Hold down the Shift key when using the arrow keys for larger movements. Once the auto layout process has completed, all panels are placed and labeled with panel numbers. All associated subitem quantities are calculated, so the entire ceiling takeoff is now complete. All cut pieces are reused in the layout when possible or are otherwise placed in the cut pile. To access the cut pile and other panel-related features, double-click on any panel to present the Panel and Roll Tools dialog. From here you can show the cut pile and move pieces in and out, find and select panel pieces by panel number, display the panel auto layout dialog, export an installer package including a panel directory, install map and optional added notes, or sequentially renumber the panels. With this ACT panel assembly, the ACT tiles, suspension grid mains, suspension grid tees, hanger wire, wall angle and labor have all been calculated automatically. The ACT assembly shown in this video is included in the Trade Tech Interiors bundle. Contact us for information on how the panel auto layout feature can be applied to other types of takeoffs.